we have for question 8, what is the Lewis structure for hydrogen iodide molecule? Hydrogen iodide, okay? So this is a quick recap. The reason why they named it hydrogen iodide is because it's just following the naming for, although technically, because this molecule is considered a polar covalent molecule because it has two nonmetals together. So typically, the official name sometimes will be monohydrogen iodide because it has one hydrogen and one iodine. But because hydrogen typically also kind of twists that rule a little bit, you can just call it hydrogen iodide. In fact, this would actually be it could actually be considered an acid as well because it has a hydrogen to give away. So with that being said, if you actually look at our list of acids, you have here hydroiodic acid. That will be its official name actually. So with that being said though, they're asking for a Lewis structure. So hydrogen is on the first column, so that's 1 electron. Iodine on the other hand is on the 17th column, so that's 7 electrons. In total, we wanted to have 8 electrons. So pretty low number, that's good. So we're going to draw out the hydrogen bonded with the iodine, okay? And now we're going to fill out this octet rule. Hydrogen right now is sharing one of its 1 electron, so we don't need to add anything. Iodine on the other hand is sharing right now one of its 7. So it has now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This right here would be its supposed complete octet rule. Let's double check. The bond counts as 2 electrons, and then we have 6 lone pairs. 3 lone pairs, which is 6 electrons. So in total, that is 8. Perfect. Hydrogen's formal charge is just going to be 1 bond, which does satisfy. Iodine, on the other hand, would be 3 lone pairs and 1 bond, which it also satisfies. So these two have a formal charge of 0, and that's all we really have to do for this question. This right here would be the Lewis structure for hydrogen iodide, or as we know it, hydroiodic acid. Hopefully I said it correctly. Perfect. And that is exactly what they get. HI. This is correct. Let's move on to question number 9.